Good morning to you all. Today we are going to see another problem in the tally. So before going to the tally, we have to see a problem. Rajesh started a business with 2,50,000. Yes, this is one entry. The other entry is paid salaries. Paid wages. Interest received. Yes. So these four are the transactions. And before going to that, another transaction is also to be created. That is sold the 3 computers. First we take purchases. Purchased 3 computers. 60,000. Yes. Again, sold the 3 computers. 70,000. 75,000, because it will be equal if the computers are at the rate of 25,000. That will be very easy to understand. Yes, see again the problem. Rajesh started a business with 2,50,000, purchased 3 computers, 60,000, 3 computers at the rate 20,000. Yes, this is the total amount is 60,000. And sold, see here 3 computers, 75,000 at the rate 25,000 each. So 25,000 each. Yes. Yes. It is clear. Started with 2,50,000. Purchased 3 computers, 20,000 each, 60,000. Sold the 3 computers at the rate of 25,000 each, 75,000. Paid salaries, 23,000. And paid wages, 12,000. Okay. And you take a meager amount just we have to get the profit for that. Just I am taking the meager figures. And interest received is 3,500. Yes, this is the problem. Okay, see this. Yes. So 6 transactions are taken. This is the problem. Now we are going to create a company on the name of Rajesh. We are going to create the company on the name of Rajesh, and we have to make the ledgers. We have to create the ledgers. That is the second step. So again, I am going to see the 3 steps. Creation of a company. This is the first step. This is the first step. Okay. Step 1. Creation of ledgers. This is the second step. And vouchering. Vouchering is the third step. So there are 3 steps in the tally. Is it clear? Yes. Creation of the company, creation of the ledgers, and vouchering. This is the third step. So now we are jumping into the tally. So wait for 2-3 minutes. Steps. Okay. Step 3. So this is the problem. We are going to the tally. Yes. So I'm minimizing this one. I'm going to tally. Yes, tally. In this tally, this is the first screen. After clicking on the tally software, we have to work in educational mode. Yes. Now we are going to create the company. Now we are going to create the company. Yes. So for the creation of the company, F3. So create, select company. If we click on this, we can see the companies which were created earlier. Earlier 4 companies were created. Kiran Company Limited, Krishna Company Limited, Rajshekar and Company Limited, Vikram and Company Limited. So if we select the company, we can go the selected company into the accounts of the selected company, and we can modify, we can create the ledgers, we can enter the vouchers, all those things. So now in this problem, we are going to create a new company. So create company, I am clicking on this create company. Create. Yes, this is the. So on the name of Rajesh, we are going to create the company. Rajesh. And company. Yes. Enter. Mailing address is also Rajesh. Address somewhere Uppal or Secunderabad. I am entering Secunderabad. Enter. Yes, this is Telangana. So simply TEL, you select it and enter. And all those things, the phone number, you enter something. And also you enter some mobile number and enter the fax number and enter the email address. So Rajesh @gmail.com. Enter, and website www.rajesh.com. .com or org or other forms. Enter, 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 enter. Already we have discussed all these things earlier in the 4 classes. I think we have explained about the creation of the company in detail. And we are going to save this company on the name of Rajesh and Company. Yes. Accept. If we enter, it will be accepted and saved. So I am entering so that it is saved. Saved. See, it is highlighted. Rajesh and Company is highlighted. We create the company. The first step is we create the company. First step is creation of companies over on the name of Rajesh. Next step is creation of ledgers. Creation of ledgers. Yes. So in these ledgers, see Rajesh capital account. Here we have to write. Where? See carefully. See carefully. So here I am. In this transaction, Rajesh capital account. Okay. And in this purchases, purchase account. Next. And back. Computers is the inventory, not the ledger. We purchases, we enter, but whereas the inventory or the stock items, we have to create the stock items on the name of computers. Only one aspect, one item is taken. Only computers inventory is only one, that is computer. That is stock is one, that is computer. So on the name of computers, we shall create the stock item as computers. So it is not the ledger. Understand carefully, listen carefully. Computers is not the ledger, but purchases are the ledger. So purchases are saved under purchase account. So in the previous, Rajesh is saved under capital account. And here sales under sales account, sold the computer. So sales under sales account, sales ledger. Okay. So ledger, it is clear because ledger, yes. And salaries under indirect expenses, and wages also indirect expenses. Okay. Next, interest received. This is received. So interest received is indirect income. Yes, this is some. Okay, so these ledgers are to be created. If you understand the creation of the ledgers, it will be very easy to you to make the voucher. So first we have to understand the ledgers creation. Again, I am saying from the beginning that Rajesh Rajesh is the owner, is bringing the capital into the form. The amount is 2,50,000. So Rajesh should be saved under the capital account ledger, capital ledger. So purchased 3 computers. This is purchases. These purchases should be saved under purchase ledger. Okay. So purchase ledger. Shall we modify ledger? Here capital ledger. Ledger or account both are same, but to understand easily like this. And sold the computer, sales is a sales ledger. Salaries paid, we have paid the salaries to our employees. So it is a indirect expenses. Wages also the indirect expenses. Interest received is the indirect income, we have received that. So these are the ledgers. So now we are going to create the ledgers by observing the transactions which are given in this problem. Now let us move Rajesh. Yes. So now creation of the ledger. For creation of the ledger, what shall we do? Escape. We have to go to invent accounting information. Accounting information. Yes, create ledgers. Yes. See the ledger creation, first one, Rajesh. Enter. This is the capital account. So already I said while see Rajesh should be saved under capital ledger. So capital account. So Rajesh saved under capital account. Save. Enter. The next ledger is see purchased 3 computers, 20,000 each. Just we are creating the ledgers, not the amounts. We are not entering the amounts. Just we have created. We are creating the ledger. So purchases. Under simply it is in the capital account, so it should be saved as purchase account. Simply we have to enter in on the keyboard PU so that we can get it. If we enter the keyboard PU, then capital account appears. I have to enter again. So enter. Yes, another ledger. Purchases is saved under purchase account. The next one is sold. Sold. So sold means sales. So sales under sales account. SA. See, in the keyboard I selected SA so that the sales account can be seen beside it. So again enter. Yes. The next account is sales is over. Next salaries, wages. We have to create salaries first. Salaries. Next, what is this? Salaries. So indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. Next, wages. Also indirect expenses. Next, what? Interest received. Interest. Received. Just interest I am putting. Interest received. Received. Yes. This is indirect income. Indirect income. Yes. Indirect income. See carefully. Interest received, indirect incomes. Yes. Over, are there any other? See, wages, interest received. All the ledgers are created now. That's all. Only ledgers are created in the second step. And also create the stock on the name of computers. This is the most important thing to enter all the details clearly. We have to create the stock items also. That is the most important thing in this problem. This is the additional information to be known by you. So I'm going to tally again. Yes. I'm going escape, escape, escape. And accounting information is over. Now for the stock item creation, we have to go to into inventory information. This is inventory. In this, first units of measure, then stock items. అంటే మనము కంప్యూటర్స్ ని ఎలా కలుస్తాము నంబర్స్ లో. సో యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ మేజర్ షుడ్ బి నంబర్స్. సో యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ మేజర్ create numbers. Yes. Enter, enter, enter. Accept. So numbers N O. Yes. Enter. Okay, over. So on the name of numbers, a unit is created. We can create any unit, dozens, kgs, liters, bundles, whatever the measurement it may. Units of measure can be created as we wish. But in this problem, computers are sold in the numbers. So only numbers is created. We may create others also. For example, kgs. Kgs. It is not needed for this problem, but I am entering kgs. Yes. Enter. Another also created. So again, we have to escape. Yes. And again, escape. Yes. Units of measure is created. This is the most important thing. We have to know this. Again, stock items. What is a stock item? Computers is a stock item. Computers. Computer is the stock item. So computers is measured. Stock of the computers is measured by the numbers, not dozens, not kgs. So numbers, I am selecting numbers. Yes. Enter, enter, saved. Computer is saved. So in this ledger creation, we have created the ledgers and also created the units of measure and also created the stock item. Now we are moving further. Escape, escape, escape. So in this accounting information, created the ledgers. In this information, created the stock items. So దీంట్లో మనము ledgers ని క్రియేట్ చేశాము. దీంట్లో యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ మెజర్ అలాగే స్టాక్ ఐటమ్స్ ను క్రియేట్ చేశాము. ఈ రెండింటిలో. Now థర్డ్ స్టెప్ ఏంటంటే వోచరింగ్. See in this third step is vouchering. Vouchering. So we are going to vouchering. For vouchering, simply we should go into the accounting vouchers. Accounting vouchers. I'm clicking on this very easily. So it is very easy. Third stage is very, very easy. So now I'm clicking on this. Yes. One by one, we have to enter in this. First one is receipt, not payment. See, first one is Rajesh started a business with 2,50,000. So amount is received. Receipt. ఎప్పుడైనా బిజినెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన ఓనర్ వేరు, ఇక్కడ పర్సనల్ విషయాలు వేరు. సో రాజేష్ అనేవాడు పేమెంట్ చేస్తున్నాడు, రిసిప్ట్ వస్తుంది రాజేష్ నుంచి. బయట వ్యక్తి అనుకుని మనం అనుకోవాలి, బట్ చేస్తున్నది బిజినెస్ రాజేషే కాబట్టి ఇట్స్ ద క్యాష్ రిసిప్ట్ అనుకోవాలి. సో 2,50,000 రిసిప్ట్. ఎవరు? దిస్ ఇస్ క్యాష్. సో క్యాష్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తాము, క్యాష్ వచ్చింది రిసిప్ట్ గా. ఎవరి నుంచి వచ్చింది? రాజేష్ నుంచి వచ్చింది. రాజేష్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తాము. అమౌంట్ ఎంత? 2,50,000. enter 2,50,000. So narration being the capital is simply we can write Rajesh yes, this is the narration. Like that, for every transaction we have to write the narration. Yes, enter. Accept, yes or no. Accept. First one is over. The next one is purchased. So we have paid the amount for purchases. We have paid. So payment. Next step is payment, 60,000. So next step is payment. Cash paid. So here purchases. So item computers. Sorry, spelling no, computer. Yes. Enter. Yes, quantity 3. Enter. Rate 20,000. Enter. Amount 60,000. Enter. Enter. Yes. Enter. Narration should be written like that. Next one is sold. So when we sell the computers to others, we receive the cash. So now we should go to the receipts. మనం receipts కి వెళ్ళాలి, ఎందుకంటే మనం అమ్మకం చేశాము. సో క్యాష్ రిసీట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. సో ఏమొచ్చింది? క్యాష్ వచ్చింది. ఎంటర్. సో దేని వల్ల వచ్చింది? సేల్స్ వల్ల వచ్చింది. ఎంటర్. So enter. No, I'm going. So this is the cash. Enter. 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 Yes. So sales వల్ల క్యాష్ వచ్చింది. సో సేల్స్. సో ఏం సేల్ చేశాము? కంప్యూటర్స్. ఎంటర్. ఎంత క్వాంటిటీ అమ్మాము? 3. రేట్ ఎంత? 25,000. Is it okay? Next. Enter. 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 So here narration we have to write, being the 3 computers are sold. Computers. For every transaction we have to write the narration. So computers are sold. Enter. Yes. Next step is Sold computers is forward. Next, paid salaries 3,000. Paid salaries 3,000. So paid cash payment. So we should go to the payment. Paid salaries. So cash paid. For what? See, salaries. How much amount we paid? I have to see. How much amount? 3,000. Yes, enter. We have to write the narration, paying the salaries paid like that. Enter. Accept. Next one is also payment. See this. Wages paid. So 2,000. 2,000. So what is the cash we have paid in the form of cash? Next, cash. And for what? Wages. We have to and see how much? 2,000. No, wrong. Enter. Being the wages are paid, you have to write the narration. Yes. Next one is interest received. This is not the payment, but receipt, cash receipt, because we have received the interest from the bank, from other person, whoever whatever they pay. This is the cash receipt. We go to receipt. We are in the payment. We go to receipt. So receipt in the form of cash, interest received. Amount is how much? You have to see the amount carefully. 3,500. 3530. No, 35,000. Yeah, enter. So, now it's okay. So for every transaction, I'm skipping the narration. So తొందరగా ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీట్ చేయాలని నేను కొన్ని నేరేషన్ రాయట్లేదు. మీరు మీ అంతటా మీరు రాసుకోవాలి ప్రతిదీ కూడాను. సో at last it is being written. So what is this? Interest being the interest received. Yes. And enter. Yes. Accept. Yes, sir. So now all the transactions, all the vouchers are entered. Interest received 3,500. So now the total problem is forward. Okay. So we shall see the reports. So for to see the reports, I am escaping. Yes. So here gateway of tally, we should go to the report. Profit and loss account, everything can be seen in this. First we shall see how much profit we earned from this. See, net profit is 13,000. 13,000. Gross profit is 15,000. See carefully. Yes. Escape. Now you can see the balance sheet. This is the balance sheet. Escape. Stock summary. This is the stock summary. No stock because we purchased 3 computers and sold 3 computers. So there is no stock. Escape. Ratio analysis. This is the ratio analysis. Current ratio, quick ratio, debt equity ratio, all those things. Like this, we can see the reports. So it's very easy. If we follow these 3 steps in the tally, it will be very easy and it will be very accurate to get the accounting information. With this, I conclude the class, and in the next class we shall go into a complex problem. Thank you.